Hi guys, it's a clearance queen here at Target. Look at this Kenmore black compact refrigerator, 1.7 cube feet, $74.99. Originally was $99.99. It has the reversible doors, adjustable thermostat, removable shelf, half-wide chilling compartment. Oh, this is really nice. For only $74.99. Here at Target. Let's see, does it come with a warranty? Oh wait, they show you how it looks. And this is how it looks right here at Target. Oh, let's see the little freezer part. And we got the door part. That's not bad. Especially the $74.99 right there. Look at all the stuff you can get in there. The black Kenmore refrigerator here at Target.